Hi, this is Becky with Diakonos Designs. I'm going to show you how to get started with weaving a bracelet that has been attached, where the chain's been attached to the closure with rolo links. We're going to pull the leather through the rolo links that are attached to the clasp and pull it halfway through, so half the leather is on the right and half is on the left. Then we're going to put the skip. Don't put any leather through the ring that's facing you, but pull leather through the next ring. Turn the bracelet over. Take the top piece of leather and bring it through the same rings that you were just weaving into. You may need to pull this cord out over here just a little bit to hold it back to make room. The next step is to put the chain into position. So I open up a little space using the pliers by pulling the leather forward. And then I'm going to tuck the crystal cup chain in. And then do it on the other side as well. Now in this case, we're going to position the crystals up into the spot between the box rolo rings and the rolo rings, and pull the leather tight but not too tight, so that the crystals don't pop out from between. When you're done making the bracelet, you can put a little bit of glue between the top of the crystal link and the leather to help secure that if you like. What I'm going to show you here as well is how to do a reversible bracelet. In this case, this would be a antique silver bracelet with blue crystal. But if you'd like to have it reversible, you can. And to do that, we're going to put a second piece of crystal in. And when I do two pieces of crystal, I usually like to make them fairly distinct. So blue is one side, and this side is a pretty opal color. So I'm going to position that, and then pull the leather to hold it in place. Open up this space. So I'm working with the side of the crystal that is, or the side of the bracelet where I started on the right side first, because that allows me to pull the leather and hold that fairly snugly and securely in there. And then I'm going to position this, pull it through, and now I have opal on one side and blue on the other. So going from right to left, I'm going to show you how to do the next stitches. Go through the box rolo chain and in between the crystal cup chain, pull the leather all the way through, turn it over, go through the exact same box rolo segment that you just went through with the leather, and pull it through. And you do that, Positioning the leather in between the cup chain segments. And keeping the snugness even, I like to make the box rolo chain and the back of the cup chain all line up and touch each other so that each side is even and smooth, and you have a whole different look. You do that a few more times till the end of the bracelet.